Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. Today I'm going to give you another update concerning ICE. Okay, I talked about this ICE in this particular video, okay, where I show you how you can do your KYC, and that's the phase one. Okay, the KYC phase one, and they are in KYC phase two right now. Okay, so if you don't know what ICE is all about, it's very simple. It's a mining app. It's an airdrop that you need to be claiming every day by day. Okay, so claiming it is very simple. Just check in every day. That's the only thing you need to do. Anytime you check in, you are going to keep mining. You can come here and watch this particular video where I explain everything you need to know about ICE. Okay, so we are going to their official Twitter account, okay, their X account. We are going there so that you can learn more about this particular ICE. You know, a lot of people are not making money because there's a lot of opportunity that they lose to partake on. Okay, and don't be the kind of person that we see opportunity and never partake on it. Okay, so what I want you guys to do right now is to make sure that you follow this video from beginning to the end so that you will understand what we are doing right here. So let's go to Ice Network. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is their verified account. You can see this here. This is to tell you that this ICE has gone far. This is the reason why you should not take this information, this update. Don't take it for granted. I said this is the major reason why you should not take this information for granted. You can see that they have 635.7k followers. You can see it here. So this is their update, the update they have been giving us since. Okay, you can see here, update your ICE app to the latest version. You can see it here. You need to update it, okay, because you are coming. I'm going to share with you what you need to do in order to make money with this website. You are going to be wealthier than you are right now. Okay, so you can see that tomorrow marks our next halving. Okay, we are still coming down. I want to show you something here. This week we anticipate complete KYC step 1, followed by the launch of the final KYC step 2 for the Ethereum distribution. This is the reason why you should always follow my updates. So you can see that here what they have said here was complete KYC step 1 and 2, Ethereum distribution eligibility, no more 5 ties, 1 minimum requirement. So the future is bright. Yes, the future is bright. So this is what you should do right now. Let's go to our app, okay, to update it. Like they say that everyone should go and update their app. So you can see it here. This is December 2nd. So I'm going to update mine right now. Let's go to the app. So guys, you can see what they have said. You are using an old app version and need to update it in order to use it further. So I'm going to click on please update. So once I click on that, I will allow it to load. You can see the Google Play. So go to the Google Play. Okay, I'm just showing you the way to do that. You can go direct and type ICE. Okay, then it will bring this logo here, and then what you are going to do is just to click on this update. That's the other way to do it without going all those process. Once you got the information that you should go and update your app, what you need to do is just go to your Play Store, type the name of the app, okay, that's ICE. Then it's going to bring this kind of logo for you to know that this is the real one. Do you understand? So after that, you can update it and continue with what you are doing. So we are going to allow it to load. Okay, so guys, you can see that the app have been updated already. So what I need to do right now is to click on this open. So you can see welcome to ICE and blah blah. So I need to click in next. You can see that I have mined that 8,449, okay, and it's still counting. So what I will do right now is to click on this place right now. Let me click on this place for me to add this mine. So you can see that I have activated it right now and is mining right now. So you can see that this is the new update. Okay, this is the new update that you need to enter your Ethereum address. You need to add your Ethereum address because they're going to distribute this ICE to your Ethereum network. Okay, this ICE is built on Ethereum network. This is the reason why you should take every update that I drop here very serious. Let's just say from January, okay, you will start seeing multi-millionaires. That's the time that you understand that whatever that we are dropping here is legit and is working. So once you click on this place, you can see enter your ELIC20 address. During phase 1, the ICE token will be released on the Ethereum blockchain. Once mainnet has been launched, the token will be swappable from Ethereum to ICE Open Network. Okay, ICE Open Network, ION blockchain. So what we do right now is you can see that we advise using a self-custodial wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Don't use any exchange address, as ICE will only be listed on Uniswap at the beginning, or you can risk lose your coin. So you can hear that. So what you are going to do right now is to go to my Trust Wallet, okay, and get the Ethereum network there so that we can proceed on this phase 2. So guys, you can see now I'm on my Trust Wallet. So what I'm going to do is to copy that address, okay. So this is my ETH here. So if yours is not showing here, what you are going to do is to make sure that you come to the down and come to this manage crypto. And once you click on that manage crypto, you are going to search for it, or you can add it here by clicking on this. You can see what I did. I off it. I can't see it in the exchange right now, but once I click on this place now, I'm going to see it. You see what I just did right now? That's how to add it. Okay, so after adding it, you go back. So guys, you can see the ETH here. That's the Ethereum network. Okay, so once you see that ETH, I'm going to click on it. Make sure that it's Ethereum network, that's ETH. So what I will do right now after getting here is to click on this receive here. And once I click on receive, I'm going to copy this address. Okay, so you can see where I touched. I copied the address. I'm going back to our ICE network. So once I come to this ICE, I click on this Ethereum. Okay, I'm going to paste it. You can see, please note that individuals who have added an Ethereum address to their account are not eligible to become one of the top 300 validators, okay, as per the white paper for the mainnet. So I click on confirm. So I'm going to paste that address here by tapping and holding it. I paste it. You can see it here. So I'm going to click on confirm. You can see, are you sure that the ELIC20 address is correct? Okay, so once you get these kind of things, you need to check it very well. Okay, you need to check it very well so that you won't make any mistake. Even if it take you a whole day for you to correct it once. Okay, that's the how smart people does their own. So I'm going to click on this confirm here. So you can see that it has added. You can see it here. This is it. This is to tell you that, and after this you can't add it again. You can add it again because you have added it already. So make sure that it's correct before you can add it. So this is how we are trying to build wealth. This is how we are trying to build wealth. You can do the same thing. You can do the same thing and make your money. It's very simple. Making money is very simple. It's just that, are you patient enough to make that money? Or you are the kind of person, all these Ponzi mindsets, try to invest for the future. The future year. If you think that next year or next 2 years is very far, it's not that far. When you invest, when you know what you are doing, what it will help you to do is that when that time comes, you will know that your future is already secured. Do you understand? Your future is already secured. So I want to see you guys at the top. Make sure that you join our Telegram channel. Make sure that you join our WhatsApp channel, our WhatsApp group, where I teach everything that you need to know about making money. I also share some tokens that I think that is going to do well for this bull run. Okay, make sure that you join us. You are losing a lot of money by not joining us. And also, the most important thing, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. It's for your own good, so that whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first person or the second person to watch the video and do what I ask you to do for that moment, so that you will make money when time comes. Okay, getting in on time is the most important thing. Getting information on time is also the most powerful tools. Okay, you need to make wealth getting information on time. Okay, so see you guys at the top. Bye bye.